Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide apps in your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right, and you just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Go to your phone setting, and here go to the search bar, type hidden, and you will see hidden apps here. Tap. All you have to do is just go back, and to find those applications simply tap both your fingers on your mobile phone and do like this, and now you will be able to find those applications which you hide. So these applications are no more there on your Android phone. So this is how you can easily hide your applications. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.